Hi everyone, I'm Alex. Welcome to Kitesurf College and Wingfoil College. To find the tutorial that you're looking for, scroll down and find the playlists. We have playlists for kiteboarding, for kite foiling, for wing foiling, for directional boards and more. The playlists are there to keep the tutorials in order from basic to advanced, which is helpful because YouTube recommendations will often offer tutorials out of order, skipping steps and skipping important safety information. The majority of my content is free for all. That's because the aim of my channel is to help as many people as possible enjoy the sports I love with less chance of injury or accident. You will see some videos listed as members only. There's more information about that in the description. But basically, members of the channel pay a monthly subscription and they get extra content, and their playlist is ad-free, and they get more detailed feedback to their questions. The membership system is also the main form of funding for this channel. So if you're already signed up, thank you so much for supporting my channel and enabling me to make so much content. Thanks for visiting. If you do have any questions at all, any video suggestions, or you can't find the video that you're looking for, please ask me in the comments section below.